Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today I have my first ever true unboxing, and unfortunately it was kind of a fail, but I thought I'd show it to you anyways to see what you think. So the item is from Louis Vuitton, and it's actually from their new flight mode collection. And almost as soon as the collection launched, this item went out of stock, but luckily I put a stock alert, and then when it came back into stock, I guess through somebody's return, I was notified and I was able to buy it right away. Originally I had wanted last year's version, but I missed out on that, which is actually a good thing because looking back now, I'm not actually a fan of like the washed look that it had. And then when I saw this year's version, I really liked it, so I was really excited when I got to order one. I ordered it, I think it was like the last week of April, and then it took a few weeks to actually get here, and I'll explain why. But when it finally arrived, I was underwhelmed. So yeah, I'm definitely interested in hearing what you think about it too, and like if we're on the same page. I wonder if you can tell what it is by the shape, but it is a small leather good, and it's actually the new 2025 flight mode passport cover. When I first saw this online, I really liked the playful colors against the neutrals. I thought the stamps were really cute, and I just really liked it overall. And then when I got it, I don't know, it just didn't have the same effect. But that's the inside of it. This is the back of it. Like I said, I really like the colors, and I think they all kind of play off of each other really nicely. But what I think I don't like was just like the feel of the piece itself. I hate to say it, but it felt very cheap. I think I was also expecting it to be a bit more structured, but it's actually quite soft and it kind of feels flimsy. And I can't really tell what the outer material is, if it's supposed to be like their leather or like canvas. I don't know, just something about it. I didn't like it. I didn't like the feel of it. It just felt like the quality wasn't there. So while I do think it's cute and it was really pretty, I almost immediately knew that it was going back. I was kind of disappointed because I've been thinking about getting a passport cover for a while, and I thought it would be like symbolic to have one from the flight mode collection because I also want to start collecting hot stamps from different cities when I travel. But yeah, I might just end up going with the classic version. So yeah, that's that. And I was so excited because this was my first true unboxing on the channel, and it ended up being a flop. Like, it's already been returned. I had it for like a few days at most. Yeah, I just kind of felt immediately that it wasn't for me, and it's disappointing, but it is what it is. Anyway, that's all I have for you today, friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'd like to hear what you think. Do you think I made the right choice by sending it back? Would you have liked this piece? Definitely let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!